All right, so check this out. I got a whole boxes of Stizzy products right here. I spent a ton of money on this stuff. Why? Because we need photographs. I have to show people how awesome these vape cases are. And so I'm gonna use the packaging, I'm gonna use the batteries, I'm gonna use our cases. I'm gonna put all this stuff together and we're gonna take some photographs so that we can start building a website. Because you can't build a website unless you have photos and video and copy. And so we're gonna go down into my photo studio and I'm gonna show you how we take product shots and get things launched and bring them to market. Let's fucking go. This is gonna be fun. Welcome to Brick by Brick, a step-by-step YouTube series that documents the building of a company from start to finish. Okay, they're here. When you're taking product shots, you want to put your best face forward. What I'm doing now is I'm assembling all the products. I need to have 3 big batteries, 3 small batteries. I need to get a variation of each shot. I need to get each color, and I need to make sure that it's high resolution and high quality so that I can use it for all kinds of stuff. So we're going to open up everything, get everything set aside, and I'm going to choose the best packaging with no nicks or burnishes or little dings on it, and I'm going to choose the best cases. And I really want to make sure they're free of dust and all the debris so that I don't have to go back in Photoshop and erase it later. The better your image can be when you take it, the more time you're going to save. Now we're going to get some leather set up. I like leather as a background because it has a really it reflects light well, it doesn't reflect it harshly, and it makes it really good for taking photos. Plus leather's just interesting and it makes stuff look cool and classy in my opinion. So we have a couple different pieces of leather we bought that we use as backgrounds all the time. You can use anything for a backdrop. Wood, cloth, a blanket, towels. You get creative with it because a lot of times, this is just really what product shots are. Some dude setting up a background like this and just snapping a couple pics with his iPhone. So what we're doing now is we're taking lifestyle images, sort of like secondary imagery where, we have props in the background and there's composition. It just looks like it's a part of something. And then as soon as we're done with this, we're going to work on taking some white background images. The reason why we want both is so that we can not feel stale when we're putting our product shots up online. So now that I'm done with the leather, I'm going to fold it up and then I'm going to put out my white background. This is 2 pieces of foam board that I got from Michael's and I just attached them together with some thumbtacks and a string. This white reflects light from a white background, obviously, and that is key when you're taking Amazon product shots. Amazon requires that your background is 255, which is the RGB color for pure white on every value. So what I'm trying to say is that Amazon requires a white background and you're gonna have to remove it anyway to make it look pure and good. So you might as well start with a white background because it makes it easier to remove. I remove my backgrounds in Canva, but other people like to use Photoshop. You can even pay people on Fiverr to remove your backgrounds for you. And then you take this PNG file, drop it onto an image like just a white background image, and now you have a pure shot. So here's all the photos we got. We got a ton of white ones. We got a ton of lifestyle, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna show you how to edit these in post-production on the next video. I hope you learned something. Catch you on the next one.